look above us. It's coming.
We've experienced all sorts of weather since bringing our shipping containers to Texas. It's caused leaks.
No, it won't turn off.
Melted candles, broken faucets.
No, that's not how that's supposed to be.
And cracked motors, among other things.
Dude, you got a little ice crack your skull?
You are so silly.
He's probably looking at him and getting nervous.
So needless to say, temperature control has been a huge factor since the design of these containers. One solution, replacing our paper shades. We're grateful for what they were able to accomplish temporarily, but I can't pretend that we aren't ready for them to go. So farewell, paper blinds.
All right, today is a big day because we're shades. She always interrupted. We are getting shades, but we're not getting just any kind of shades.
It's the ones that go up and down. They're motorized, so we don't even have to deal with them like before.
I just didn't know if I should talk.
Okay, well apparently that really tickled Sophia, but what's not funny are these screens. No idea what's causing these holes, but I do know that the holes are welcome mats for whatever wants to come inside. So we patched the holes throughout the entire container. Then we took down our temporary blinds, and now we're ready for our new motorized shades from Somfy and Eclipse Luxury Shades.
I feel like we're in the Jetsons.
Yeah. Yep. There's always an option. Yeah.
All right, one down, 10 to go.
10 to go. We'll do it.
Final touch.
Oh my gosh. Oh, beautiful. Look at that.
Right away, we noticed a huge difference in temperature. We measured that difference, 8 degrees cooler than without the shades. And it makes sense because the shades absorb the harmful rays that are heating up the container. So we have certain windows programmed to go up and down together at the time the sun shines the most. And the convenience speaks for itself.
Y'all can lay in the bed and just press the button.
Right.
Yeah. Come on down, baby.
Plus, we don't have to think about charging the batteries for at least 2 years. Perfect for being off-grid.
How do I charge it?
Yeah. So when these go dead and it's time for a recharge, you'll just reach up here in this fascia. You'll find the wire that's up there, and
There
there's
it
your
is.
port right there. You'll just plug it in and plug it down at the bottom.
And done and done.
And that's just for the shades that don't get direct sunlight. The shades on the south side of the containers are solar powered, which is ideal for living off-grid. No batteries needed. And listen at how quiet they are. They even have that soft touch. They are simple to program.
Well, they low enough. I want to stop them.
Look at my butt.
Mine.
We were impressed with all of the eco-friendly options. They even have shades made from plastic water bottles. And they're manufactured right here in Texas. Shopping local, you know, is a great way to leave less of a footprint. And with Wi-Fi, you can control your shades from anywhere. So even when you're not home, you can let them down when you want to block out the sun, or even for security. No one has to know when you're actually at home. So needless to say, we are extremely grateful for our shades. Other things bringing in a lot of cold and heat are these metal doors. They aren't insulated. Plus, we don't have a door separating the room from the rest of the container. So we insulated the mechanical room doors. Then we built a door. So we're building the door for the mechanical room today, but first I have to varnish it, but I wanted to show you. Look at all of this fog. It's so humid, so it says it's 100% humidity today. It's so humid that it actually looks like it's sprinkling. It's like a mist in the air. So we're still gonna varnish the door though.
There's the door.
Father had a nice set of chisels. That's over.
It's been like a roller coaster looking back at this entire journey, seeing all of the progress we've made through the struggles, how much we've learned, and how much closer we are to zero waste. We're looking forward to all there is still to come, including a fish farm.
Working and what we're building is a swirl filter to kind of help reduce some of the waste inside the water. And get a natural filter going on.
You hear that, Roller?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Pinky, that's the brain.
We got Pinky and the brain. Stop that.
But now, it's time for some fun.
Hands up.
778 riding this. Go ahead, Ma. I see you. I see you, Ma. She's smiling now. Yeah.
Thanks for taking this off-grid journey with us. Like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you know when we release more videos. In the meantime, check out our website, greendesert.org, for all sorts of self-sufficiency tips, including a whole page on natural remedies. We also save all of our GMO-free seeds from our garden, and what we don't use or donate, we offer on our Etsy shop. So check that out too.
They're all looking. Okay, no, I'm not getting any closer today.
Okay, well,
How are you, baby?